To start off, take a green color card paper and fold one end of it. Cut it using a scissor. Further fold it and cut leaves out of it. Now, I'm going to show you guys how to make roses. Take any color card paper and draw circles with the help of teacups. Cut them out and cut spirals from the circle. Roll the spiral outward to inward and then stick it. Your roses are ready. Next, take a headband and roll wool around it. Gather all your decorative materials and stick them on the hairband using an adhesive. Make your tiara a bit more appealing by attaching ribbon pleats on both the ends.